Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Without further ado, let's get started. To be honest, I'm not actually experiencing that issue at the moment, but I had the same problem before. So these steps that I'm gonna show you actually work, so you can try them and see if they will work for you as well. So first, tap on these three lines at the top right or in some phones at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down a little and tap on Help and Support. Then tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Continue to report the problem. Then tap on Include. Then here, select Marketplace. Then just write a description of the issue that you're facing, or you can write something like this. Then tap on the Send button. After that, just wait for a few minutes and try to go back to your marketplace and see if it's already loading. If it doesn't work, another thing that you can do is slide down to your screen like this and turn your airplane mode on for a while and then turn it off again. After doing so, it will restore your internet back and that should resolve the issue. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.